The national costume of Jamaica includes a quadrille skirt, also called a bandana skirt. It is accompanied with a blouse with ruffled sleeves and a head tie. The skirt is plaid with red, white, and a bit of blue or gray in some materials, but red is always the dominant plaid color. The dress style originated during the colonial era when it was often worn amongst houseworkers and other women working off the plantation around the 18th century. The head tie, or tie head as some call it, is of an African tradition and was used by women when working in the fields. The number of peaks formed at the back of the head tie was a tradition developed by Caribbean Africans to distinguish the marital status of a woman amongst the other enslaved Africans on the plantation. Women typically wear the costume today when performing in special entertainment events or to showcase the Jamaican culture. Then you will see many variations of the costume. Many different styles have also been created from the same plaid material.